let me draw your attention to. Having said that, this brings me to my second point. Hey there, I'm Nancy Shah. I'm a trainer, public speaker, anchor, voiceover artist and founder of Speaker Circle. We started this initiative to help people improve their public speaking skills. We conduct our interventions online and you can also be part of it. All you need to do is fill up a Google form. You'll find the link in the description, so fill it up and I'll see you there. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share 25 transition statements that you can use in your speeches. So let's get started. While preparing your speech, you might have your main points ready. You have your sub-points, you have your opening, you have your conclusion, but they all are different parts. Now it's time for you to connect all of them and you would need transition statements for them. Let's say you said your first point. Now you want to move from a first to the second point. How will you connect both of them? The answer is transition statements. Transitions are required to ensure that your speech looks like one. And that's why let's start with few sentences that you can use as transitions. When you're already saying something and you want to add on something more into your point, here are a few statements that you can use. Another thing to consider, apart from all this, additionally, in similar regard, moreover, with reference to illustrate or to elaborate, let me draw your attention to support my viewpoint, for instance, etc. These are the few statements that you can use to convey the same point in a different manner or to add on something to the point that you are mentioning already. There are so many instances where you want to defer to the viewpoint you just shared and you want to add a contrasting viewpoint after saying something. At that time, you can use following statements. However, having said that, in spite of the fact that keeping aside the possibilities of, in contrast to, etc. These are the few statements that you can use while contrasting upon some viewpoint. In case if you are talking about something and now you want to move to completely a new point, these are the few sentences that you can use as a transition. Moving ahead, now I want to tell you, other than this brings me to my second point, etc. These are the sentences which will help you move from first point to the another point. Let's say your all main points are covered and now you want to move towards your conclusion. These are the few transition statements that you can use. To sum it up, to wrap up this discussion, to summarize, to say in a nutshell, I think we all can agree to this fact. Through this I want to tell you, let me share three major takeaways. Let's review what we discussed, etc. These are the few sentences which you can use while moving from your main points to conclusion. This is not the complete list. There are many other transition statements out there, and if you find any good transition statements, share it with us in the comment box and I'll surely consider that. Well, Speaker Circle is a platform through which we help people improve their public speaking skills. We conduct our interventions online and you can also be part of it. All you need to do is fill up a Google form. You'll find the link in the description, so fill it up and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.